in 2018 in Austin, Texas. I'm Matt Schwegler. Joining me is ITC instructor David Lee. Good morning. How's the conference going for you?
Yeah, it's going great. It's an amazing place.
Now, you're, I don't think, do you want to introduce yourself? I don't know if we've had a chance to have you on yet, but what's your background? You've been training with ITC now for a little bit. What's your history with IR?
Well, I've been with FLIR for over 20 years and first started on the government side training air crews on how to use the gimbalized systems for law enforcement, search and rescue, all that sort of thing. And then come over to the industrial side about 10 years ago.
So you and I have been chatting about the aerial infrared platform, and we've got about a half dozen presentations that are happening this week. In fact, I was looking it up earlier this afternoon. We've got best practices of PV inspections, aerial substation infrared, UAS. In fact, you're presenting later in the week on flight planning. So this is a popular industry. It's a popular application. What's the sort of the state of the industry right now?
Well, it's interesting in that it's exploding and at the same time it's in its infancy. People are finding more things to do with drones and our sensors every single day. You know, we are kind of immersed in it and we think ourselves as experts, but with these sensors every single day, and it's really exciting.
Now, we've got the sUAS Level 1 courses that you're also teaching along with Bill Schwan. Can you maybe chat a little bit about the classes and what ITC offers for training in the aerial platform?
Sure, well, a lot of it is similar to a regular Level 1 class in terms of the physics and the science involved, but then we take that and really get into how things get a little different when you introduce that third dimension. You get up in the air, you increase the range, what happens to your measurement field of view, and how do you plan your flight so that you know that you're going to be able to measure what you want to measure from that far away.
Now, being InfraMation, it's a conference obviously with knowledge on the platform. New thermographers are here to learn more about aerial infrared. Any advice you'd give to those that are new in the industry looking to get into sUAS? What would you tell them?
Well, the first thing I would say is have a very clear idea of what it is you want to accomplish, because that's going to go directly into what kind of equipment you acquire. We see people out there go out and make the investment in drones and cameras and things like that, and then realize maybe they've got too wide a field of view, or maybe they don't have the resolution they need, and they kind of have to come up with a workaround without reinvesting in all that equipment. So that's the first thing I do, is have a real clear idea of what you want to accomplish.
Well, excellent. Looking forward to the other presentations. We'll have to catch up a little bit more later. As you can see, folks, we're on the coffee break right now. General sessions continuing here in a little bit, and we'll be back with more Facebook Live updates throughout the week.